Do you want to make your next camping trip more fun? Let's talk about how you can do that with Ham Radio. Hey everyone, Josh here, AA4WX from HamShackTV. You know, camping has recently become one of my favorite ways to unplug from the hustle of everyday life. But did you know that ham radio can actually make your camping trips not only more fun, but also safer too? Let's talk about how. But first, before we get into it, I want to let you know that today's video is brought to you by Better Safe Radio. Better Safe Radio is an American company right here in the United States with a fantastic HT lineup. These radios are durable, easy to operate, and you know what makes them so easy? They're already pre-programmed with every repeater pair in the United States of America. Makes it easier on you. BetterSafeRadio.com, and when you use my coupon code AA4WX7, you'll get 7% off. They're already great prices. BetterSafeRadio.com. So out in the wilderness, cell phone service is usually spotty at best. We experienced that at Monte Santo last week when we were down there for the Huntsville Ham Fest. That's where ham radio shines. Imagine sitting by the campfire, making contacts with other campers across the country or even the world. And not only campers, but people sitting at home, people, traveling, mobile, things like that. Ham radio gives that ability. Ham radio gives you the chance to join in Parks on the Air activations, or POTA. Log new DX contacts right from your campsite. Teach your kids or friends or other people about radio and as you make those connections. And it's just plain fun hearing voices come back from hundreds or even thousands of miles away while you're under the stars. It's like bringing the entire world of conversation and adventure to your campsite. But ham radio isn't just about fun. It's about safety. Out in the backcountry, things can change quickly. A twisted ankle, bad weather, or a vehicle that won't start can turn into a real problem without communications. With ham radio, you can reach local repeaters that cover miles of wilderness. Call for help if cell service becomes unavailable. Monitor weather alerts directly over the air. And stay in touch with your group if you split up on hikes. Even a small handheld can make the difference in an emergency. Now, here's a few quick tips to get the most out of ham radio while camping. Bring extra batteries or a solar charger. You don't want to be caught up with a dead radio. 2. Know the repeaters in the area. Print out frequencies before your road trip. Before your trip, I should say. Now, with that said, there is a free app for Android and iPhone called Repeater Book. If you know where you're going to be going, go ahead and check out Repeater Book before you get out of cell phone range and program some of those repeaters into your radio. That's the smart thing to do. 3. Keep a waterproof bag for your gear. Folks, rain and radios don't mix, and I almost had a disastrous situation while I was camping on Monte Santo. You know, I started the trip with a tent, and I was laying on a cot as well. Luckily, Campers in RV came in and saved the day. Appreciate those guys. But before that, I had a few chargers and my Kenwood D75 in the tent and forgot to zip it up. And guess what? The big old rainstorm came through. Luckily, all my electronics survived. But keep a waterproof bag for your gear. Number 4, let someone know your call sign and planned frequencies. That way they know where to listen if they need to reach you. So next time, when you're planning a camping trip, bring your ham radio along. It can add a whole new level of fun and give you peace of mind, knowing you've got a reliable backup for safety. I'm Josh, AA4WX, and this is HamShackTV. Live, learn, and transmit. Welcome to the Shack. Guys, don't forget to check out my friends at Better Safe Radio, bettersaferadio.com. Great HTs that are pre-programmed with every repeater pair in the United States of America. If you're new to ham radio, that is a great place to start. Go check out bettersaferadio.com. Use my coupon code AA4WX7. You'll get 7% off their already great prices with purchases $100 or more. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video. 73s, AA4WX, WSCB 693.